In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a domain in Hostinger. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. If you haven't already created an account, simply go to their homepage and follow the prompts to sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This area lets you manage all your domains, hosting plans, and other essential services. You'll easily spot your active domains here. It's crucial to know your way around the dashboard because it's your main hub for accessing all domain-related features. Next, find the domain you wish to forward. You'll see a list of your domains in your account. Look for the domain you want to redirect and click on it. Doing this will give you more options to manage this particular domain. Upon selecting your domain, look for the Manage button, typically marked by a gear icon or clearly labeled as Manage. Clicking this will take you to a more detailed domain management interface. Now, you're in the right place to set up domain forwarding. Search for an option labeled Domain Forwarding or Redirects. If you're having a hard time locating it, just know that Hostinger usually places it under a section related to DNS settings or domain settings. Once you find the appropriate section, click on it to proceed with the forwarding configuration. This is where you can specify how you want the domain to be redirected. You'll now have to input the URL you want to redirect your domain to. You should enter the full URL, including the HTTPS or HTTP at the beginning. Ensure that the destination URL is correct because any error here could lead to redirection issues. It's wise to double-check this detail to ensure a seamless forwarding process. After entering the destination URL, you might see an option to select the type of redirect. Hostinger typically offers several types like permanent or temporary redirects. A permanent redirect, known as a 301 redirect, tells browsers and search engines that your domain has been moved to a new location for the long term. On the other hand, a temporary redirect, or a 302, indicates that the change is not permanent. Choose the option that best fits your particular needs. Finally, click Save or Apply to implement the change. This step finalizes your domain forwarding setup and makes it active. You might need to wait a little bit for these changes to propagate across the internet, which might take a few minutes or a couple of hours. It's a good practice to test the redirection by entering your domain in a browser to confirm that it directs you to the correct destination you specified. That's it. You've successfully forwarded your domain in Hostinger. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can always reach out to Hostinger's support team for help. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.